Okay, steering gearbox rebuild and reinstall is now complete. Tie rod ends installed with brand new dust boots. Had to get a couple of new nuts for the tie rod ends. Put the shaft in this evening and put my new steering wheel on. Nice and shiny. The other one is nasty, falling apart. And when this thing started, if you recall my previous video, I had a good half a turn play. Get a good angle here. I had a half a turn play in the steering wheel, and now I've got maybe a quarter of an inch or maybe at the most a half-inch play, and that's, I believe that's what the folks online told me. I should have no more than that. One thing I am a little unhappy with, and I don't know if this isn't pretty normal for this model, I got myself a new steering knuckle, not a new one, but one from JP Salvage. And I tightened it in. It's much tighter than the old one that was badly worn, but not completely snug, and it still moves. I'd appreciate some advice on that if that's something I should be concerned about. But anyway, next step is to get the rims sandblasted, which I should be able to do this weekend because there's a break in the weather, and I can put my hood on and do the sandblasting and get the tires mounted and move on from there. Good night.